Hello, what's for breakfast on Sunday? Welcome to my channel. My channel is all about Chinese Asian food. Today we are making purple yam pancakes. Look at the batter already made. Really pretty purple colors, really easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make this. Really easy and simple. Your kids or whole family will love this. My kids still waiting. I'll show you the recipe today. Some batter, pour on your pan. Look at the bubbles. 2 little pancakes. Smells really good. Get a spatula and flip this over. Look at that. First one. Second one. Pancakes. I'm going to cut this open to show you the color inside and taste it. Cut open like that with some syrup or honey. Let's taste this. So amazing. All over this world. If you want to have some, please come over to my house anytime. This piece is